Hello, they were going to fix the Firefox is unable to find the proxy server. It's so easy to fix. Go to your Firefox, try to visit any website, Facebook, find this problem. So let's try Google. Same thing. So what we do is click here, we'll look for, have to look for something like settings. You see options, yes, type in proxy, yes, settings, and put it to auto detect, then save. Done. So if you come back here, everything's fine. Go to Facebook, everything's fine. Go to house toaster.co.za. Everything's done fine. You can go to Google Boy.co.za. Yeah, everything's okay. So let's go back. We'll reverse this. If you put it in manual and say okay, go back to the same sites we visit, they won't work. Same thing, you see. Go to Facebook, doesn't work. We go to house to stay, doesn't work. So what we're gonna do is we go back. Okay, let me repeat it for you guys. Go to Firefox, look for Firefox, to Facebook, doesn't work. So create another, click here, go to options, then search for proxy. Here we go, click setting, then put it on auto detect, then say okay. Done. Facebook. Yeah, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe please. Okay, yeah, that's what's